Want to learn how to make the juiciest, most flavorful pork chops that will wow everyone at your dinner table? Stick around because today I am sharing all the secret to mastering this classic dish. Welcome everyone to my channel. It's KK's Kitchen and More. What a guan. Welcome to all my subscribers. And to all those who are watching me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell that when I post a video, you will be the first to get this video. Here is what you will need to make the perfect pork chops. So you will need your pork chops, of course, and you're going to need some herbs and spices. You're going to need some olive oil. You can use paprika, but I'm not going to use any paprika. And if you want, you can use fresh rosemary as a for garnishing. Okay, so what I'm doing here now, I'm just chopping up my natural seasoning to get them blend. So I'll be putting everything together. I'll be putting in some dry seasoning and some olive oil, and I'm going to blend everything together and then season my meat. Okay, it's not a lot of seasoning, but they are packed with flavors. So after blending, I will show you exactly how I season my pork chops. So from here, you will just watch and see what I'm doing. Okay, stay tuned to the end because you need to see how I finish this juicy, delicious pork chops. Mastering pork chop is easier than you think, and now you have got all the tips and tricks to make them perfect every time. If you find this recipe useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious cooking ideas. See you next time. Happy cooking!